guys, so today I'm going to be pulling the speakers out of the S10 so that I could put them in the Silverado. So I'm going to pull the 6.5s out the door, and then the 4x6s so I can put them in the doors in the back. So yeah, pulling the 6.5s out the door. 6.5s out the doors, and then I have 4x6s in the dash of the S10. So I'm gonna pull them out the dash, pull them out the doors of the S10, and then take the ones out the dash, put them in the back doors of the truck, and then the 6.5s in the front doors. So stick along. Today's gonna be a pretty busy day. I'm gonna try to knock it all out today. So stick along. Alright guys, so I gotta pull this door speaker out and then the speaker out of the dash on both sides, obviously. So I'm gonna start off with just the dash for right now, and then I'll take a break and then start pulling the door panels off so I can pull the speakers out the doors. Give me a second. Get this speaker out of here. Do. No. There's another bolt. Alright, so I got both of the speakers out of the dash. Now I need to pull the door panels and get the speakers out of the door. Give me a second. Alright, cool. I got the door speakers out. I didn't want to film me struggling getting the oh shit clip out of the window crank handle. So I'm gonna put this back in real quick into there and then install it back in the door. I already have the speakers out. They're all over there. They are brand new. I wanted to save them since I'm turning the S10 into a track truck. So stick along. Bear with me. I apologize. This is all done from a wheelchair for the most part, and my energy actually isn't as good as yours. But I'm pushing myself to do everything I can to chase my dream and make that dream come true. Just like you guys should, you know? See you guys in a bit. Window cranks back on. Lock the door. Roll back. Shuts that door. Cool. So now I gotta remove this door panel. Set you up here. You gotta get behind here. Or I don't have to get behind it because nothing is holding the door panel on except for one bolt right here, and then clips, or it lifts up. So I gotta remove that bolt real quick. How's your guys' day going, man? Let me know down in the comments if this is stuff that you guys like. Once again, I'm just trying to chase a dream and build a race truck alongside a good daily driver that I could probably use to take the race truck to the track. So, I guess I could tell you a little bit about myself while I work on this, right? My name's Daniel. I'm newly disabled. I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in 2020. So I have a lot of adjusting I have to do, or I adjusted quite well so far, actually. It's been tough not working because it's really lonely when you don't fucking work. It sucks. And then you don't have friends, or you lose all your friends because they have to work. But whatever. Anyway. Pretty sure a good amount of you guys are here from DJ's or Jimmy's video, the speakers that I sent to them. Oh shit. Okay, they're behind it. Oh, this is gonna be a simple fucking installation. Look at that. It's just a little clip. And then bada bing, bada boom. Take those connectors, transfer them onto the other 6.5s, throw it in, and then call it a day. And that's the location it's gonna be in. I gotta go charge the battery to my drill because it just took a shit. So I'll be back. That's how my life goes. Start something and then something gets in the way. But I gotta keep going, keep moving forward. I'm gonna go charge the battery and I'll be back. Alright, so I got the speaker in. Screwed up. Not screwed up, but screwed in. Now I got to put the panel back on and then install the speakers into this rear door. Sorry. Let me roll out of the way real quick. So, put this panel on. Connect the tweeter. Come on, dudes. You motherfucker. Well, I'm gonna stand up for this one. Give me a second. I'm gonna pause you guys. Alright, so I ended up removing the plastic barrier and then I added some sound editing on the bottom of the door. Since I already had it open, I had a little extra piece, so I had enough to cover the bottom of the door from behind the speaker here. Sorry. From the front of the door all the way to the back. So hopefully it sounds better. Don't mind the mess. Now I have to pull this door off, or door panel off, to get to the speaker behind there. Cool, so back panel has to come off. Gotta remove this bitch right here. And then there's a bolt right here. And then a bolt right there. Somewhere right there. So I'm gonna remove those two bolts, remove that quick panel, and then I'll slide the whole panel up to access the speaker that's right here. So now I got the panel off, there's the speaker. Clips out like that. Boop boop. Then I gotta cut that wire to connect it to the new speaker. And it is in. I used original hardware, that bolt, and that bolt from the S10. Now I gotta put the panel back on, put the screws back in, put that cover on, and then jump over to the driver's side. Bada boom. Speaker's connected. Got a razor blade stuck to it. Now just screw that bitch down. Alright, so I got it screwed down real quick. Now, throw the panel back on. That's that. Now I gotta get the screws back in. Let's turn the TV. Let's turn the radio on.
Time to hit a lick, my nigga. This is a jam.
Cool. So that's the driver rear door. Now I got to do, once again, the driver door. How's it going? How you doing, sir?
Real good. How are you?
Not too bad. Oh, the bolt. Forgot the bolt. I almost broke my panel. Door panel is off. Back seat. Now I have to pull the speaker out. Let's put you guys over here somehow. I don't know. Give me a second. All right, let's make this easy. Oh, you bitch. There we go. Just gotta unclip that, then the speaker will fall. Now I gotta unconnect it, remove that bracket, whatever the hell that is, whatever you want to call this piece of shit. I then screw the new speaker in, and then I'm done. I'll get back with you guys after it's all said and done. You guys saw me do the other 3 doors, so you guys know the drill on this one. I'll just knock it out, and then I'll get back with you, give you guys a little demo when it's all said and done. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking along this far. I know it's not like perfectly done with a camera crew and a bunch of people helping, but I'm getting as much as I can done by myself, keeping myself busy, and I thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thank you. See you guys in a bit.
Like Little Wayne, keep a hammer in my boot of the loops, or should I say hangs? I'm a street nigga, not a street nigga. They cover concrete nigga. I'm a street nigga. I'm a street nigga. Bring it to your front door, let I beef with you. I'm a sneaky man, he'll build finding my lawyer on speed. Cause some of these police be trigger happy, light you up like a lamp, just like they did.
And it's all done.